Commonly, people ask, what is a real-time operating system? In this tutorial, we will answer that question. The goal is to understand RTOS and its applications. First, let's define what RTOS is. RTOS ensures immediate responses and guaranteed execution times. It provides predictable output, meeting strict deadlines. Next, where is RTOS commonly used? You will find RTOS in medical devices and pacemakers. It's vital in airplane control and missile systems. Also, RTOS operates in robotics and automotive systems. Think of self-driving cars and industrial automation. For example, a temperature alert must trigger within milliseconds. Now, let's compare RTOS with general operating systems. General OS does not guarantee response times. Conversely, RTOS enforces strict timing and predictability. In multitasking, General OS is flexible, RTOS is time-critical. If General OS fails, it can retry. In RTOS, failure is not an option. Let's explore the two types of real-time systems. Hard real-time systems must meet deadlines strictly. Examples include airbag systems and ICU monitoring. Here, a delay may lead to serious consequences. Soft real-time systems can tolerate some delays. Look at examples like video streaming and gaming. Next, let's understand RTOS characteristics. RTOS features fast context switching and minimal latency. Tasks must start on time with high reliability. These systems usually run on embedded hardware. Now, let's discuss key concepts in RTOS. Task scheduling executes based on priority. For example, emergency brakes take precedence over music. Interrupt handling pauses tasks for special events. Deterministic execution means consistent timing for outputs. We can also look at common scheduling algorithms. Rate monotonic scheduling prioritizes shorter execution periods. Earliest deadline first runs tasks with the nearest deadline first. Now, let's highlight some RTOS examples. VxWorks and FreeRTOS are widely used. RT-Linux and QNX also serve critical systems. These are essential in satellites and aerospace. Understanding RTOS architecture is important. It includes task schedulers and interrupt managers. All components operate tightly controlled together. Imagine RTOS as a hospital ICU. Response time must be immediate, no retries allowed. This differs from a local restaurant where delays can happen. Today, you learned what RTOS is and its uses. You now understand hard versus soft real-time systems. Also, you discovered scheduling examples and software. Remember, timing is critical in these systems. So, this wraps part 15 of our operating system series. We covered real-time operating systems and their applications. In our next video, we will explore the booting process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for updates on our latest videos.